Hello, I'm Dr. Kimberly LaHue, and I want to help you understand detoxification. There are so many detoxification videos and advice and programs, and I'd really like you to know the truth about detoxification, because what I have found online is far from the truth, and I hate to say that. Not that it's not healthy to some regards, but I want to show you what real detoxification is, what the harm is when you're not doing it correctly, how it can help you, and how detoxification is truly essential when you are becoming the healthiest you can be. So just jumping over to some slides real quickly. Detoxification, let's take an honest look at it, because many are not detoxifying at all. Again, I don't want to step on toes, but I do want you to know the truth, because if you don't know the truth, then it's not helpful to you and it can actually be harmful. And I don't want that either. So, detoxification, the problem is many do not know what they are talking about. They don't know what they don't know because they weren't taught in school and they weren't given accurate information on detoxification, because there's a lot more to it than just eating healthy foods. I mean, there is chemical reactions going on. There are things that need to take place, and we're going to get through that. But I want you to understand that many mean well, but they are not understanding what true detoxification is. So, moving too fast there. Okay, so the problem is, oh my gosh. The problem is many are looking at juices, they're looking at shake programs, they're looking at fasting as ways of cleansing. And what that is eating healthier. So that's wonderful. You are eating healthier. And is that healthy to you? Yes, but are you detoxing? Because detoxification is essential when you are getting to or trying to get to your healthiest state possible. Coaches are giving nutritional advice, but they're inaccurate with detoxification advice. So what they know, these are the things they have correct. They're talking about we are inhaling toxins from the lungs, from the skin, from the intestines, from our liver is absorbing all of these toxins, and they are getting into all different areas of our body, fat cells, blood, muscle, bone marrow. And toxins, by a normal detoxification system in our bodies, thank God that He made our bodies brilliant to naturally detoxify. The problem is we have so much of abundance in our food, air, water, clothing, from everything that we are doing. We are getting bombarded, especially here in the United States of America. We have approved chemicals in every area of life. And so when our bodies are naturally detoxing, yes, they are going through the lungs, the skin, the colon, and the kidneys. But due to the overabundance of it, our bodies are bombarded and cannot accurately and in a more a proficient way get them out of the body so they're not harming all of the systems in your body. Because when they're coming in, that over accumulation is not only harming the organ, but every cell. And so the cells and all of these systems are being affected. So you may be wondering, why am I getting a headache? Why can't I sleep? Why can't I focus? Why is my digestion messed up? Why is my gut microbiome unhealthy? Why is my mouth microbiome unhealthy? Why is my hair falling out? Why do I have blurry vision? It goes on and on and on, because these toxins are coming in to harm every cell. And based on your weakness is where you're going to start seeing the symptoms, and it's where you're going to start thinking to yourself, I have this system, and you go to a doctor that then goes over that system or that particular symptom, and you become treated with symptom-based treatments. And that is not going to the source of the problem, because they're not understanding where the source of the problem is. Let's say they do understand. We need to get those out. Many are not detoxification correctly. They're not detoxifying your body to the ability. Well, it's not even that the ability that they can. They don't even understand, because when I look at their websites, I look at their videos, they're not understanding what detoxification is, because the way they go about it is not efficient, it's not effective, and can even harm you. So that is the reason I made this video today. So the problem is they're missing nutrients that cause detoxification in the body. They do not have the correct element of time. You cannot detox your body. You cannot pull toxins from fat, from tissue, from bone marrow, all the places that toxins harbor. You cannot do that in 3 days. You cannot do that in 7 days. You need a minimum of 10 days when done correctly and when monitored correctly to understand what's the body doing when you're doing things. What is the feedback? What's the responses? And you have to understand that. And if you don't, it becomes a harmful attempt to get healthy. So what they don't know, what to look for, this is just one of the elements of looking at detoxification, what needs to be understood through a 3-phase process. It's not a 3-phase process of this is what we're going to do, my 3 phases. This is the actual phase process of the body taking in, trying to get rid of, changing it from, well, I won't even get into this. This is the chemistry side of it, but this is what happens. It comes into the liver. The liver makes it more toxic because it's in this process of being eliminated. Then it becomes water soluble, and then you can eliminate it out. But if your elimination systems aren't working correctly, that is when these toxins start to recirculate, and you have a more toxic toxin recirculating and then getting harbored back into fat or bone marrow or wherever this toxin goes. And so these pathways are critical to understanding. So what they don't know are the proper requirements through phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. This is a natural cycle in the body. So if you don't have the right amino acids, and you don't have the right methyl groups, and you don't have the right elimination, or I should say healthy elimination, you're going to start creating more problems in your body. So correctly mentored, what I do with my clients, I'm not saying, oh my gosh, you have to know chemistry to this level. I'm not saying we're going through a chemistry class and you're starting to detox. That is not what I do. I say, okay, we got some natural laws, and as you're detoxing through a proven system that has been around for decades, that I've been using successfully with patients for years, having excellent results, I'm just going to teach you some very, very simple natural laws. Matter of fact, it is ABC that they can start to understand, okay, this is what I'm eating, this is the diet, these are my elimination systems. This is what to look for. Oh, my body's not doing that. What does this mean? This means this. Oh, I make a couple of tweaks, and then you start to live your life. This is where the personalization comes in, to picking out the foods that you like. However, they have to be within certain categories, and there is a structure to it. There is things that you have to ingest and have in your body as you are detoxing. But understanding your body, I believe, is one of the best things. It's one of the best ways, number one, that I help someone raising their hand that they want to get healthy, but that I know you understand your body. That is so important, because by the time you leave working with me, I want you to be your own health advocate to a very basic level. That is empowering to you. That helps you stay healthy for the rest of your life. So you're not having to keep coming back, which is what the healthcare system is today. Let's treat the symptom. You feel better. You're not really better. So you have to keep coming back. It's managed sickness. And I want you to be healthy. Detoxification happens to be the first phase of getting healthy. You have to remove those toxins or your cells can't function properly. But there's a way to detoxify that's appropriate, proper, effective, efficient, and that's what I really want you to know here. So you're understanding diet, you're understanding your 2 elimination systems, and you're understanding how your body responds. So detoxification done properly puts them on the trajectory of knowing how to eat, knowing what to look for, knowing really what it entails, their body is becoming more efficient and they are becoming healthier in the process. So, detoxification done correctly will establish a level of health to move forward and becoming as healthy as you can be, not just weight loss, which that is another big problem when people think they're losing weight, which is great. So that's a wonderful thing that they're teaching through the juices or through the fasting, through a particular diet. I'm not saying that they're not helping you. I'm saying they're not detoxifying you. I'm saying that to appropriately get as healthy as you can be, you have to eliminate what is polluting the body. And so if you are saying, I want to get healthy, and they say, here's a fast, here is a juice, program, here's a shake program, that's all great. And it's probably helping you feel better, and you're probably having some success. But you'll never reach that level of health that you could reach where your body is actually reversing aging to the degree that you could, that you are jumping out of bed at 60 years old with energy, independent, doing the things that you love to do because your body's reached a level that you didn't even believe was possible. And so that's what I like to take clients through is, wow, there's a level of health that you don't even know is possible for you. But that first phase has to be a part of the program, or else you're only reaching superficial levels. So what I do is a detoxification, a prioritized, proven system, and I supervise it correctly. I teach you along the way as you're making amazing, amazing progress. So I teach you while you're going through the program, and you reach a level of health that I can almost guarantee. And the reason I can't guarantee it is because two things. One, I don't know where you're starting. I don't know your genetic weakness, and I don't know how compliant you'll be. But I know with the people who are compliant that follow through a 29-day detoxification process, the beginning phase of getting healthy and victorious, that they have amazing, amazing results. Matter of fact, they could walk away at that point and be very healthy. But I go a step further to really helping you understand a full system to get your body as healthy as can be and get your heart right, your emotional and mental health through biblical principles. So that is really what I want you to know. Detoxification is a process. So you remove toxins, you remove pollutants, you restore these pathways, you help every cell through a 3-stage process of cleansing, strengthening, and rejuvenation. So detoxification is critical to becoming healthy and resilient. And I want you to know that anybody that is suffering from health problems can see really wonderful benefits, because as you start to clean up these things, as I said, that's hindering every cell, every system in the body, as you start to clean this up, you start to have more energy. Yes, the weight comes off, but you have all of these other systems that you didn't realize were a part of this whole health problem. They start to clear up, and you start to have much more success with your health. And not only that, but you know how to do that for the rest of your life. This is something of interest to you. There are 2 links below. There's one that you can schedule a call with me. I'd love to help you understand maybe what's not right in your diet, in your lifestyle, your healthy lifestyle, and help you to get healthy. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it was beneficial to you, and I will see you on the very next video. Bye for now.